like candy from above. Street lights glowing and it's like we're in love. Umbrellas dancing in neon skies. Feet splashing puddles, oh what a surprise. The city's buzzing with the symphony of lights. Rivers flowing through the sleepless nights. Colors blending, making magic unseen, turning the mundane into a dream. It's a Lluvia de Color, shower of hues, splattering rainbows, painting every view. No more gray, no more black and white. Lluvia de Color fills our eyes tonight. Echo off the stone, every step like the world's your own. Rain-soaked pages of a story untold, new adventures waiting bold. Come alive under the electric sky, every tear becomes a diamond to try. Lost and found in the blink of an eye, and this kaleidoscope will never say goodbye. It's a Lluvia de Color, a shower of hues, splattering rainbows, painting every view. No more gray, no more black and white. Lluvia de Color fills our eyes tonight. It's a Lluvia de Color, a shower of hues, splatter rainbows, painting every view. No more gray, no more black and white.